Hello and welcome back to another episode of Driver's Ed Zone. I'm Carrot here with Jeremy, our Shield driving school instructor.
Thanks for having me back here. It's great to be here.
And we're also joined by a special guest, a new driver, Mike.
Thanks guys for having me.
Now, we have a lot of brand new drivers out there that watch our channel just like Mike, so if you want more, like and subscribe to our channel below. Now, today we're going to be talking about the importance of the center console. Now, what's so important about that?
The reason we're talking about this today is because every car is different. They all look different inside, so we're going to talk specifically about our car and certain functions you have to understand and control, right? Headlights, high beams, turn signals, things like that. So we're going to get in the car, and we're going to learn some of this stuff. You ready to go? Let's go. Let's do it. Like, so here we are, we're going to talk about the center console. Alright. This is important, and we're going to explain why. So you have to know how to control certain things in your car, right? Okay. Keep in mind, and everybody at home, keep in mind that every vehicle is a little bit different. Trucks, SUVs, makes and models of cars are all a little bit different. So we're going to discuss our car here today. Alright? Let's get started here, and the first thing I want you to do is I want you to put the car in the on position. Alright, so turning the car into the on position actually lights up the dashboard for you. It lets you see all your gauges, all your instruments come on. There is power to the car, however the car is not started at this point. So the next thing I want you to do is actually start the car out. So, first thing is universally turn signals, right? Your left side of that steering column, put your left turn signal on for me. Alright. Alright, put your right turn signal on for me. There you go. Down to go left, up to go right. That's universal on any car. Okay. So, headlights. You had to turn the headlights on. Where would you turn the headlights on? Right here on the left side. There you go. So in this car, it's on the left side. You want to twist there. And that little picture right there shows you the symbol for your headlights. Okay. How about your high beams? How'd you turn those on? You go all the way down to the bottom and push it forward, then push it forward. There you go. On your dashboard here, there's a blue light indicator that comes on that shows you that now your high beams are on. Okay, so turn those off for me. Alright, windshield wipers. How do you turn the windshield wipers on in this car? You would go to the right stick on the right side of the steering column. So right now they're off. The INT there that you see is called intermittent. So you pull that down, the windshield wiper is going to go one time, wait several seconds, go again. And usually you can program the duration of that intermittent. Only go one more click, it's going to be on low, one more on high, and that just dictates the speed of the windshield wipers. Okay, you can turn those off. So the little symbol you see here is your washer fluid. That, again, is the universal symbol for your washer fluid. You pull that, it's going to spray the windshield just to keep it clean for you. Okay? So where would your four-way flashers be? Your hazard lights, they'll be in the middle. There you go. That is the universal symbol for your hazard lights, your four-way flashers. That is in the middle of our car. Sometimes it's down here in the center console. Sometimes it's on the steering column itself. So that's another thing you have to understand where it's at. So center console, let's talk about that. So you see the big zero there. In this car, that's your speedometer. It's digital in this car. It's nice and easy to read. Now, the numbers 1 through 8, they go out and around it. You know what that's called? It's tachometer. Very good. And that is the RPMs, or revolutions per minute, that the engine is working, right? That's how hard the engine's working. So if you look over here on the right side, what's that called there? The fuel gauge, the E and the F, empty and full. So what's the little symbol there in the middle? You see what that is? That's what side your gas tank is. There you go. It's a little symbol of a gas tank. It's pointing to the left side. So it's telling you the fill is on that side of the car. Yeah. How about over on the left side? What's that gauge over there? That's the heat of your engine, temperature, and the temperature, exactly. You have a C and an H, which is cold and hot. Where is that temperature gauge right now? It's in the middle. It's in the middle. Most vehicles operate with the temperature right there in the middle. So if you see that starting to creep up towards the H, it means your engine's running a little bit hot. Make sure you're comfortable with operating these functions because you have to know how to control these. These are essential functions to keep you safe on the road. And again, it's these little things that keep you safe on the roadway.
So Mike, how did it go today?
It went great. There's a lot of things that I didn't know that I need to become a better driver.
And isn't that the case for most new drivers?
It really is. As simple as it sounds, these functions are very important to understand how the headlights work, how the turn signals work, windshield wipers, things like that, that really are going to help you be a better and safer driver. So it is the little things like that that we teach that do save lives.
Well, thank you again, Jeremy, and thanks, Mike, for joining us. If you want more videos just like this, make sure you like and subscribe below, and thanks for watching.